Can we recover permanently deleted Instagram after 30 days? Hello everybody, in this video we are going to find out, so let's start. So for that, first thing is you need to open up your Instagram. And once you open up the Instagram, on the login interface, what you need to do is simply go ahead and enter up your username, email address or mobile number that you use in order to create your Instagram account. So in this section, you may go ahead and enter up the username, email address or mobile number that you used in order to create an account. After that, password in this section. Once you do that, tap on login button, and then what happens is you will be able to reactivate your Instagram account. But if you're trying to reactivate your Instagram account after 30 days, unfortunately, it is not possible after you complete the 30 days deletion process of your Instagram account. So the only method you may go ahead and try is going up to Instagram support. So you may head over to any of your browser and type in Instagram support and go over to their help center. And try to contact Instagram and try convincing them to recover your account, but it is not likely possible because once your account is deleted after the 30 days interval, your account will be deleted permanently, including every data that you had on your Instagram account. So the only method is creating a new Instagram account. You may go ahead and create up a new Instagram account and go ahead and do that. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.